So I have created this application using BigQuery, uh, which is a Google Cloud-based uh, framework for creating a large-scale applications. So the application called Ask MySQL, and the goal of this application was to do data analysis on relational tabular data, uh, mainly in an organization through natural language to uh, get insights from the data and to do informed decisions. So the workflow is like that. We start with the tables from the relational database. So for each table, we generate the metadata and we then embed the metadata of each table using the BigQuery text embeddings model. And after that, after this training or indexing of the metadata of each table into BigQuery vector database, uh, we first find the relevant tables to the user query. So when a user query comes, we embed it also. Then we do the searching in a vector database using the BigQuery vector search functionality. And after this, we do the filtering on the basis of LLM, and then we generate the SQL query. After that, we execute this SQL query on the user record. We get the user data, and then we generate the Python code to do the analysis and to generate the insights and the graphs from this user data. So this is the basic workflow. The main purpose of user query here, BigQuery here, is to embed the stable and do the relevant table selection. So is this the use of BigQuery in this approach is that as the user's database can consist of thousands of tables. So BigQuery provides us a scalable approach and it generates the embedding of all those tables in a very less time at a large scale. So this is the main purpose of it here. Let me go through the code. So first we install the dependencies. We need a script connection to communicate with database. Then we need the BigQuery text embedding generator and the vector set to do the relevant vector selection. Then I will check out the agents with different configurations. I have used the Gemini 2.5. Then we go to the main relation class. We execute the workflow. Uh, Let us create SQL indexer object. And then we connect to the dummy MySQL. I have set up for this project. We say the data function. So the database can consist of multiple tables. And I have index classic for database. So the database about different customer databases. Let us train the database. So in the backend now it's creating an embedding and for each table metadata and storing it in uh, BigQuery, the database. Where this you can see it started a job. If you open the job, so you can see in BigQuery, here you can see your job information. It has started the job with the BigQuery backend. The job is complete. All methods are indexed. Now we do the generation for when we give the user query, it will find the random table first, and then do the first do the Spark statement, the BigQuery, and then do the dance statement to another method. It will get to the multiple jobs in the backend and executing a user. Now, if we see the results, yeah. So I have inspected the team, what are the total number of customers and plot received with. So it provided me a table of Customer Medford 5, New York City 5. We run the plot for this. So you can see it created a very interactive plot as well. So if you hover over any city, you can see the city is gray and total number of customers 1. For Madrid, we have total number of customers 5. So this is the application through which you will interact with your data. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.